Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I am Bree. I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 boys. So today we're going to clean my master closet. It actually took me 2 days to do. I started not feeling well, so I had to stop what I was doing. And I decided to start with my books. So these aren't even all of my books. Only a portion of them. So let's get to cleaning.
I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now, 'cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. Promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time
anybody else have a favorite pair of jeans they refuse to get rid of, even though you will probably never fit into them again? Because this pair right here is my ultimate favorite, and I just refuse to get rid of them. I also paid $100 for them, so...
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story, wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we're cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us go tonight. Your face in the crowd, I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile, every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was love, bet that you felt the same.
nice and clean. Comment down below if you guys keep snacks hidden from your children. So those are my tip buckets from when I was still working. I haven't had the heart to get rid of them yet. And yes, I know I have a lot of pair of Toms. I actually have a couple extra pairs in the front closet as well. So, yep, all nice and clean. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. It really helps out my channel. I hope you have a great day.